You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at where the market is right now. Is market going to come back down as you see the MACD begin to lose momentum to the positive side? And on the 4-hour chart, you see this parabolic move of the chart on ETH and ETH 4-hour chart as well. Now, one thing very important you need to pay attention to today is this news report that came out on Tuesday, and I said even though we see a value that is much more better than the forecasts, okay, that we are going to see the market pump to the upside. And the reason for that was that the market has already priced in, and I made mention of that very clearly in this very video. You can watch this very video to confirm that. And right now you see the market pump all the way to the upside. What are we paying attention to today? Is market going to move up to $25,000 and $28,000? Watch this video to the end. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the 1-day chart BTC, if you look at this very area, I was talking about market pumping to the upside, and I said if we break this very level of 0.382 on the Fibonacci, this very area, the market is going to come back into this level of 0.618 on the Fibonacci, this very area, but market did not. And the reason was that the CPI data come out as expected, because we have, this is the previous data, this is the forecast, and this is the actual number that came out of this very report. And that was very important to the market. And like I said, market has already been coming down prior to this report. So two things very important about news release and fundamental is that, number one, you need to check what the market has been doing prior to that release. In this case, market has already come back down. So even though we have a bad report, market can come back a little bit and there will be a reaction to the upside. And secondly, you have to pay attention to the risk level. Are market participants willing to take more risks than before? If the risk level is low, then that means market is going to move to the upside. And if the risk level is high, that means market will continue back to the downside. So these two things are very important. So what I am paying attention to on the chart right now is the market will continue to the upside. But if you look at this very area, we have a very strong resistance, which is where the market is right now at 24.6k at this very area. And this very level is very important. So a rejection from here is a nice thing for the market, because you see from here, market move all the way to this very area where we see the Bitcoin bottom at this very point where the market move from all the way from here, from this very area to the upside, then little move to the downside, and then we are seeing continuation right away. So what I am paying attention to is market rejecting a little bit and then continue to the upside, and I am looking at 28k for the next level of Bitcoin as a result of this very news report on the CPI. On the 4-hour chart, like I said, if you look at the MACD right here, you see we have a very strong momentum on the MACD to the upside. And what I am paying attention to right now is market coming back down and then continuation to the upside. And if you look at it, we break this level of resistance right here, resistance at this point, and market is right way up. So a move to the downside to this level of resistance, which will not turn support at this very point, is a nice idea before the market is going to move back up again. So this is what I am paying attention to right now, and what we're going to see to confirm that is a reduced momentum on the MACD histogram right here to the downside. Okay, so this is what you have to watch to confirm this very move to the downside right at this very area. And this is what I am paying attention to. That implies that you don't need to take a buy position or long position at this very area, because market has been moving from here up to this point. Market will not fly. Even though market move, it will not move significantly. It will move just a little bit to the upside and then come back down to give you a better price to buy at before the next move to the upside again. So this is what I am paying attention to. Wait for a nice retracement to the downside to this very level of resistance, 23,700 or 23,500, before the next move to the upside. And then on ETH, I've been talking about this very area on the chart. So if you look at the 1-day chart on ETH, you see this very level is very important. I talk about this very area. If you put the Fibonacci retracement tool from here up to this very point, this is where I was talking about the 0.382, and market have high capacity of reacting from this very level. We see market reacts from here up to this very level of resistance. And if you look at the MACD, we have been seeing a very strong momentum to the downside at this very area and reduced momentum, which means we are going to see an increase in momentum to the upside. That means the bulls are going to take control of the market. One thing very significant you need to pay attention on the chart is a breakout on this very level of resistance, because this resistance is very strong. This is a very strong resistance. We have resistance right here, resistance here, we have resistance at this very point, and we have resistance at this very point. So a breakout here and the histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD is an indication that this market is going to move straight up to the 1902K level on the ETH 1-day chart. This is what I am paying attention to. A breakout first, and then the histogram should start formation on the positive side of the MACD is an indication of market is flying up to the 2K level on the 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart here, what I am looking at right now is a retracement. If you look at it, this looks like the market forming a cup and handle pattern formation. So we could see the market come back down before to form the cup formation, and then the market is going to move back up again. So this is the cup formation, and then the handle right here, that is the retracement that is coming into the market at this very point before the next move to the upside. So what you should pay attention to right now is the market coming back to the downside before the next continuation, and this very level right here is a very important point to pay attention to for retracement to stop, and also this very level of resistance right at this very point, this very area of 1630 and this very area of 1611. These two zones are where I am expecting market to retrace to before the next continuation. And once this breakout happens after this retracement, a breakout on this level of resistance is going to send the market back up to 2K level, because this is a cup and handle pattern formation that is coming into the market. Remember, it's not confirmed yet. A cup and handle pattern formation is confirmed when the breakout of the candle actually happen at this very point. Example, in this very case, for the market to move to the upside. So wait for the handle to form before the breakout, and then that will be a nice entry for the market to continue to the upside. So this is what I am paying attention to. Remember when I talked about this very CPI data report, and I said regardless of the data and that market is going to move to the upside, the reason is because market has already priced in bearishly, and we are going to see the market move back up again. There is no how market will move this much and then we see a data report and it further crash back down, except in a very worst case scenario and a very high sentimental risk. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now for the market to retrace. What do you think about the market on BTC? Do you think this market is going to continue its movement to the upside, or this very level of resistance is going to hold the market for little retracement before continuation, as it will reflect on the 4-hour chart? Comment below in the comment section of this video, and if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.